Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to install a couple of cameras in our home. So one is like a doorbell camera and other one is an outdoor camera. So all of a sudden I realized that why don't I make a video for you guys. So now I'm gonna tell you something about Wyze cameras. So I do already have one indoor Wyze camera, so it's just for my kids. So yeah, I just can watch my kids what they are doing. So it's already installed. So now I just buy a couple of stuff here. So this is an outdoor camera and this is what we call it. It's an indoor and outdoor camera. It's the brand name is Wyze. Okay, so Wyze indoor and outdoor camera. So I will install this thing today, and second thing that we are going to do today is a doorbell chime camera, doorbell camera. It is also from Wyze. So these are the equipments: bell, the wedge, some accessories. Then this is basically an indoor you can say chime for this one. So we are going to start installing first doorbell camera. So first of all, you need to install an app for the Wyze camera, and I already have one indoor camera that is powered on, another one is not actually. So you can see the indoor camera. Oh, they show me. Okay, so if we are going to install any other camera to the Wyze, it's very important, and you can just go and do it by yourself. It's very easy to do it. So if you're not planning for doing very hardcore camera installations, you can just select a camera from Wyze camera, and it will guide you step by step how to install those things. Okay, so now if I want to go for adding any device, so I press the add sign, and then you can see there is a add device thing. So I press add device. So what actually we are going to do is camera. So let's go there. Okay, there are so many different cameras you can see here, and what we are doing today is this. Start from this one. This is called Wyze Doorbell. Here we go. So video doorbell setup. So if you go with the simple step by step, it will tell you how to do it. So it says that you have to have some tools. So I do have my tools. Where are my tools, by the way? Okay, and then we have it will say that you have to go and find out what setting that you have for indoor chime. So I must say, okay, I have a screwdriver and existing wire doorbell. So yeah, it only worked for the wire doorbell. So this is my doorbell. So I can see yes, it's just a 2 wire because I only have front doorbell. I don't have a back. If you have a back, then it's gonna be 2 wires, or like altogether 3 wires. Okay, so these are the equipments we have. So these are actually the equipments, not organized, but okay, so go next. Required items: wire cap. Yeah, we do have wire caps. We have fuses. Here you go. And we have tools. Yeah. Go next. Turn off power switch. So yeah, if you are doing anything with the any kind of electrical involved on it, it's better to power off that particular thing just to avoid any kind of accident. Okay, then go next. Open the chime box. I already did. And then you have to, we recommend taking a photo of this. Okay, if you can take a photo, you just go and take a photo just in case you remember that which. But if you see in a normal time, you can just see closely. It says front trans is one of them, another one is rear, so I don't have a rear bell, I have only front bell. So if you take a picture or mark it which one goes to the front, which one goes to the rear, it will help you if you do it back again. Okay, so go next. What does the wiring looks like? It looks like a 2-wire, so you have to select your 2 wires thing. Look, it shows you how to do kind of jumper kind of thing. So it says take both of them and make a jumper with like this. Okay, I'll do this and I'll be back. Okay, so disconnect both wires and connect them with the fuse wire. So we took the fuse wire and I did those things. Okay, one with the front, another one. So this wire, you can see it's not just a jumper, it's a fuse wire. So technically it's different. Okay, it's not just a simple wire. So there is something in between going on here that's called as a fuse wire. So it's not actually technically what they're doing. Actually, we want a power in the doorbell, but we are not going to use this door chime. Okay, so we are kind of bypassing this one, just taking a power for the outside doorbell. Okay, let's go to the next step then. Next, so yeah, you have to just close them. Okay, prepare for the installation. Now we need to install the door chime to outside in your, yeah, we need to go and take out the normal switch doorbell, and there is no polarity actually, so don't worry about positive and negative. You can just choose any of them, and if you see in the back area there is 2 screws, so we need to screw those 2 wires from here and here, whatever. It's okay, so it's not gonna be polarity kind of thing here. So once we done this thing, then we need to define this thing that outside the doorbell is perpendicular or parallel. So let's mount the doorbell camera first, or connect with the wiring outside, and then come back. So we have 2 bases. This one is actually just to angle it. If you want to make it straighter, you can just use it without it, or basically it is, or happens like this way. You have to put the base angular kind of thing, and this is the one. You can also see this should be written here up somewhere. So yeah, here it is up, so you can have to place it properly. I'm not sure I provide a proper room or not, we'll see. If not, then I have to put this back. I try to use the same holes that we are using, like a screw holes before. So let's see, we'll try.
Ready to connect. Ready to connect. Ready to connect.
Okay, so as you see that we have installed more down, so we just use one vertical wedge right now, and then go next. Okay, we did this part, we installed the wedge. Okay, look at here, if you have multiple wedges then you can do this way. We have one wedge and one base plate kind of thing. We threw the wire, yes we did. Yeah, we did this step, and then I already showed you these things. Now you can turn on it and it will say ready to connect kind of thing. Please confirm that your doorbell is now flashing yellow. Let's see. Okay, yes, it's flashing yellow.
Ready to
So let's
connect.
go next.
Ready to
So
connect.
it said ready to connect, so
Ready
we'll
to
just go
connect.
with yes. It says ready to connect. Allow your location. I say okay. While using
Ready
app,
to connect.
so it's need my internet password, so I have to apply the internet password.
Ready to connect.
Then I'll be back.
Ready to connect.
Scan the QR code below with your doorbell.
Ready to connect.
So we need to do this way.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
So it says QR code scan, please wait. So yes, I heard QR code scan. I'll go with next. So now it start doing
Setup
kind of
completed.
installation. I heard setup completed as well. Okay, so I'm gonna name it friend door. Say continue, and it's asking for all the trial kind of thing. So continue. Maybe later. Status check. Next. Attach your doorbell. It's already there. You have successfully installed your Wyze camera. Add Wyze chime. So now we have to add Wyze chime. Oh, look, it's glow just because it's sensed my motion. So I'm going to pair my Wyze chime. Okay, so that's it. Next, plug in. So we have a reset button here, so we are going to plug it in. And just press this button. There it is. Oh, that hurt. So yeah, it says it's done. It's finished. So now it's connecting. So it will ask you to update the firmware. It's better to update firmware, and it's gonna work perfectly good. Let it be done, then I'll show you. Okay, it might take some minute, but it's already done. The installation is done for the new thing, so we have to say done. Here you go. See, that's my doorbell camera. Okay, so I can see whoever is stepping up here, and I can also see my car, so it's pretty good. You can also do zooming kind of thing if you want. So my car is there, so I can just zoom it, zoom back, can see people, and if you really wants to talk with the people, you can also do. So you can turn this thing on and you can talk, and you can also listen. Okay, so this is our video for the installation of Wyze video doorbell camera. So it is very simple. So if you guys want to order it with Wyze official website, you can also find this thing on Amazon, and just bring it up, follow those things. It's very simple to install, and enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.